today we are going to be showing you how to make super easy watercolor bookmarks. So let's get into it. Hey guys, Kiana right here, and now I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 easy watercolor bookmarks. You'll be needing a 6 by 20 centimeter cutout, so let's get into it. Here I'm just adding some tape on the edges of my paper because I don't want any paint to be coming out. I want it to look neat. So here I have added on to all of the sides. Now let's get painting. Now I'm going to paint a square free-handed. It does not have to look perfect. So I'm going with the light yellow to dark yellow theme because I just wanted to. So by the way guys, don't think about making it look perfect. It does not have to. So I'm just going to paint all of my squares and get back to y'all. So here y'all can see I just finished painting all of my squares, and as I said, I'm going with a light to dark yellow theme. Now it's time to decorate. So you can draw flowers, you can write quotes, you can do anything. So I'll get back to you when I draw all of my flowers. Guys, so check it out, it looks beautiful. Now it's time for the most satisfying part. I love taking out the tape, and look at it. That is why I use the tape. It looks so pretty. I really like the way it turned out, and it looks really neat. I feel it looks minimalist and really cute. So guys, I did the same. I add the tape on the page. Now let's get painting. So I'm gonna do this like in a rainbow theme. So I'm gonna be adding different kind of colors till the end. Now I'm just gonna start by yellow, orange, and I'll go ahead with all of painting off it. So I'll get back to you all then. Bookmark, and looks really colorful and amazing. Here I'm just writing a little quote. I just started by writing, and I wanted like a rainbow quote, so I wrote "be a rainbow in someone else's cloud." So this looks really pretty guys. I really like the colors that are on it. I don't want to add too much water because I want it to look neat and minimalist. So now I'm just going to start by doing some little decorations. So I'm just going to draw these little stars in the corners and make it look pretty good. So here guys, this looks beautiful now. Now it's time for the satisfying part. I really love doing this, and it looks so beautiful when you remove it, and that's just so satisfying. So check it out, it looks really beautiful. I love this. This is my favorite one, I feel. Guys, so this is the third one, and now I'm just going to start by wetting my page. I have done the tape thing already. So I just wet your whole page because it's going to be magical, this one. And now I'm just going to add some paint. Guys, add your paint before your page gets dried because then it won't show much effect. This is my theme. I'm going with the purple, blue, pink theme, and just add enough water because you don't want it to look like you're just painting it and it's going to be very dry. You want it to be nice and wet, so your paint gets mixed around with different colors and makes it look really colorful. That's a little tip guys, so use it actually. So guys, I actually left my bookmark to dry for a while until it's dried, and actually don't forget to dry it because you don't want your page to be wet while you're writing your quotes or drawing. So right here I'm going to be writing "for your dreams, they know the way." It's such a cool quote. I really like the way the whole thing turned out. It looks really pretty and I am loving this. So you can do whatever you want. You can draw, you can write different quotes. You don't have to do the same thing. You can try different things. You can do different colors. It's just going to look amazing. Now is for the time for the most satisfying part, removing the tape. I love this so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. This looks amazing guys. It looks amazing. I love this. This is like one of my favorites as well. It looks really beautiful, minimalist, and super cute. So guys, I decided to do some touch-ups for my first bookmark. So I started by writing "believe" and "achieve" in a nice kind of look. So I actually got the spelling of "achieve" wrong, so I corrected it later. So guys, tell me in the comments below which one is your favorite from mine. Now we'll start by punching some holes in the bookmarks. Actually here I'm using a puncher. Actually I made all my bookmarks together and punched them because they are the same size, and then I just added some wool and tied a knot to all of my bookmarks. Hope you like them guys. Thanks for watching mine. Now let's go and watch Kara's. Hey guys, so it's Kara right here, and now I'm going to show you all 3 different designs for your bookmarks. So right here I've taken a paintbrush with some pink paint on it, and I've drawn a really small flower, and now I've taken a thinner paintbrush with a darker shade of the same pink. I'm just gonna like put it at the tips of that flower. Now I've taken my black pen, and now I'm just gonna write the word beautiful. Like it looks like a stem, so like the beautiful is part of the stem. And then this is how it looks so good. Now I've just taken my paintbrush with a green color, and I'm gonna draw a leaf, and then I'm gonna outline it with my black pen. This is a really nice minimalist kind of bookmark, and it looks really nice, and it is easy to do. And now I've just taken my paintbrush, and I've mixed a little bit of pink paint in the paintbrush, and I've just splattered it all, not all over, like at the ends of this bookmark. Now we are on to the next bookmark, and for this bookmark I've drawn some border lines, and I've divided it into 5 parts. And now I'm just gonna like draw books. So like as you can see, I'm drawing different sizes of books, and this bookmark really turned out really nice. So you all can draw your books however you all want. And now I'm just adding a really small plant on top of those books. Draw different types of books. The way it is arranged in that particular shelf is like gonna be different throughout. And on the 3rd shelf I've just drawn a candle right there, and on the 4th shelf I've drawn a mini kitty, and it looks so cute. And on the last I've drawn a coffee cup, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the borders and the shelves with the brown paint. So now I've just finished painting my borders and the shelf. Now I'm gonna go ahead and paint my plants pot, and then with the same color I've painted the candle flames. Now I'm just gonna paint the leaves of the plant. Put random colors on the books, and I've not colored all of the books, so I've just colored books that I just felt like coloring. If you all would like to color like all the books, then yeah, it would be nice. And I've just outlined it with the same black pen that I use. Now I've just taken a pencil, and I'm gonna like make it look like there's some type of shadow around the book. So like I'm gonna do that for some of the books and around the cat. This actually makes it look really nice. So this is how my bookmark looks like. And actually I even thought of something else. Like I'm adding some really cute light. As you can see, I'm gonna add it to the 2nd and the 4th shelf, and I'm just gonna like color it and then outline it. So guys, now I've just completed my 2nd bookmark. Now yeah, on to the next one. So for this bookmark, I've drawn some lemons, so like half and quarter lemons, and now I'm just gonna color it with some yellow watercolors, and I'm gonna do that for all the lemons in the between. And now I've just taken my orange color and I'm gonna do it around the lemon like a border sort of thing. This actually makes it look really cool. It kind of looks real, I feel. And now I've just taken a bit of green paint, and that green paint I've mixed it with some yellow. Half, and the other half I'm just painting it with some yellow and orange paint mixed together. Now once it's completely dried, you all will like outline it. When I was painting that little lemon right there, I actually messed it up a bit because I added too much water to the paper, so it kind of like was just tearing apart kind of. So like I just let it dry and then I outlined it. And for this bookmark, I've actually chosen a really cute quote that life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So yeah, that's too obvious. Guys, here comes a part that I've been waiting for. This is the peel off part and it is really satisfying. I just love the way it looks after the washi tape is like peeled off. It makes it look like really neat sort of. It looks awesome right now. So this is it for the third bookmark that I showed you guys. It looks awesome. I just love this. And these are all the other bookmarks that I've made. So guys, right now in these bookmarks I've just punched some holes. Now I've just taken this string type thing and I'm gonna like tie it around all my bookmarks. And this is how it looks like right now. It looks so good. So comment down below which one you like the most and which one I'm gonna try.